Hi there, this is Priya from Techkriti Software. Today in this presentation I am going to discuss how to manage site owner's control panel in Drupal. The technical contribution is given by Jyoti Shankar Pradhan, a tech lead at Techkriti. Jyoti Shankar has keen interest in Drupal and enjoys solving complex technical problems. Thank you Jyoti Shankar for this tip. You may have come across few Drupal themes in which the place to add navigation or additional menus are not clearly decided. Also, the menu is not described in a well-fashioned way, so one cannot see the menu, which results in more hits on the server and also does not look good. In order to resolve this problem, we can use Simple Menu module. This module creates a menu bar that is displayed at the top of every page. The menu bar is fixed in place, and also you can customize the structure of menu like number of menus, item in each menu, submenu, etc. By default, Simple Menu presents the navigation menu in Drupal 6 and the management menu in Drupal 7. You can change the Simple Menu setting to display a different menu and show it on another tag rather than the body tag. Let's see how we can manage site owner's control panel in Drupal. I'm taking an example of basic Drupal installation where navigation is placed at the left hand side. Every time we click on this menu to see the submenu, the page gets refreshed, which increases the load time and hits on the server. To resolve this issue, we use Simple Menu module. Go to Site Building, then Modules, and then click on List. You will see Simple Menu module. Enable this module by checking this box. Now save the configuration by clicking on Save Configuration. After that, go to Site Configuration. You will see Simple Menu module in the list. Click on it. Change the setting of Simple Menu module as per your requirement. In menu setting, you choose what menu you want to show at the top admin panel. Make other settings as well. Make sure that in advanced settings you have unchecked this show to user ID once option, so that the super admin will get only one admin panel at the top, not both the Simple Menu and the admin panel. In this setting, if you select the first option, which is show on every page except the listed page, then Simple Menu will not be displayed on the pages given in this page section. Now save the configuration. Now we will set the permission that who all can have the access of the Simple Menu module. For permissions, go to User Management and then go to Permissions. Here we have two fields. One is Administer Simple Menu and other is View Simple Menu. After having the access of Administer Simple Menu, one can change the configuration settings of Simple Menu module. And with the View Simple Menu access, one can only see the Simple Menu and can manage the content of the website like adding content, deleting comment. Right now we are giving the View Simple Menu access to moderator and web admin only. Now save the permissions. Again go to module list in site building. Enable the delegate menu administration module. It provides us the make admin option. We will discuss this option later. Save the changes by clicking on Save the Configurations. Go to menus in site building and then go to list menus. You see the make admin option here. By checking this make admin option, navigation menu will be merged with the super admin menu, which can create some confusion. Now click on navigations. In this section, we will focus on user management. Under user management, you can see create user. By using this functionality, we can add some more options in the Simple Menu. Only for those options which you have created, you will get the delete option, and these options will be shown on the Simple Menu at the place of admin panel. As you can see that for manage category, manage comments and manage content, you are getting delete option, and for my blog and my account you are not getting any delete option. And we have checked this make admin checkbox just to display these options in the Simple Menu. Save these changes. You can see that navigation menu has the resemblance of admin panel, which is more appealing. Now you can see the menus and sub-menus by just putting the mouse pointer on it, which results in less number of hits on server and the performance of the website increases. Thank you.